descend on, upon someone. Definition: to visit someone or arrive somewhere suddenly, without warning or without being invited. Example: as soon as the store announced a major sale, shoppers have descended upon it in droves. Descend to something. Definition: to behave badly in a way that other people would not expect. Example: she has refused to descend to their level of insult and pettiness. Detract from something. Definition: to make something seem less valuable or less deserving of admiration than it really is. Example: his rude comments made detract from the overall success of the presentation. Devolve something to someone. Definition: to give power or responsibility to a person or organization at a lower level. Example: the manager may have devolved some responsibility to his assistants to lighten his workload. Devote something to something, someone. Definition: to give time, effort, or love or yourselves to something you believe in. Example: the discoverer devoted all his energy to completing the project on time. Dictate to someone. Definition: to tell someone what to do. Example: the advisor dictates to people how they should live their lives. Dig in. Definition: to start eating. Example: the cleaner was so hungry that he just dug in as soon as the food arrived. Dig something into someone, something. Definition: to press or push, or to press or push an object. Example: the agitator dug his heels into the ground, refusing to move forward. Dig someone, something out. Definition: to get someone or something out of somewhere by digging. Example: the cameraman had to dig the car out after the heavy snowfall. Dig something up. Definition: to discover secret or forgotten facts by searching very carefully. Example: the archaeologists dug up an ancient artifact during the excavation. Dilate on, upon something. Definition: to write or speak about a subject for a long time. Example: the communicator loved to dictate upon the detail of his travels. Dip something in. Definition: to put your hand into a container and take something out. Example: the cleaner dipped his finger in the chocolate and tasted it. Dip into something. Definition: to read a small part of a book or magazine. Example: the astrologer likes to dip into a good book before bed. Disagree with someone. Definition: to disapprove of something and think that is morally wrong. Example: this decision is completely destructive with the company's values. Dispense with something. Definition: to get rid of or stop using something or someone that you do not need. Example: the anthropologist decides to dispense with formalities and get straight to the point. Enlarge on upon something. Definition: to speak or write about something in detail or in more detail. Example: the astrologer enlarged upon his ideas in the revised edition of the book. Enter into something. Definition: to start to become involved in something, especially a discussion or agreement. Example: she must fully understand the risks before she enters into an agreement. Enter on upon something. Definition: to do or become involved in something. Example: the contractor entered on his second term with high expectations. Dispose of someone, something. Definition: to get rid of someone or something or deal with something so that the matter is finished. Example: it is difficult for you to dispose of all the old furniture. Disassociate yourself from something. Definition: to make it publicly known that you are not in any way connected to. Example: the company has disassociated itself from the controversial statement. Dissolve into something. Definitions: to change from one condition to another. Example: the comedian's speech was so funny that the audience dissolved into laughter. Dive into something. Definition: to start doing something suddenly and energetically. Example: the consumer dived in without reading the instructions. Divert somebody from something. Definition: to take someone's attention or energy away from something. Example: the new policy may mean to divert attention from the real issues. Divest someone of something. Definition: to take something off or away from someone. Example: the scandal may have divested him of his position. Divest yourself of something. Definition: to sell an asset, a business that belongs to someone. Example: the cobbler divested himself all the material possession and moved to a remote village. Drag someone away. Definition: to make someone leave a place or stop doing what they are doing. Example: she has to drag her brother away from the video games. Drag someone down. Definition: feel unhappy or ill. Example: the consultant got dragged into a workplace dispute that he had nothing to do with. Drag someone into something. Definition. To force someone to become involved in an unpleasant or difficult situation. Example, the meeting has dragged out longer than expected. Drag something out. Definition. To cause an event to continue for more time than is necessary or convenient. Example, the communicator wishes he wouldn't drag out every conversation with unnecessary details. Emanate from something. Definition. To come out of or be produced by something or someone. Example, is confident made to emanate from years of experience. In next tutorial, I will bring you English phrasal verbs with meaning lessons. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification and share my video among your friends. See you in future video.